Morning, class. How's your evening, class? Wonderful, beautiful day out there today. Hope you guys got some outside sun time. Hope all is well. Welcome back. Hope you're feeling pretty good about this cross multiplication. If you're not or you're confused, have your parents reach out to me on the Remind, and I'll send you some stuff, some extra stuff to help you out. All right. Hope all is well. Hope everybody's safe and good. I miss you guys much. We're going to get right to it. This cross multiplication stuff, it's all about those multiplication skills. And the more familiar with you get, the easier it's going to be. For today's lesson, before you get into on the computer lesson, I'm going to highly encourage you to grab some scrap paper. It'll make it much, much easier for you, all right, as we do it. And then I'm going to show you today, like we're going to go over a little bit of the cross multiplication skills that you'll need. And then I'm going to show you a couple questions. They're going to ask them a little differently, but it's like the same thing. I'll explain that when we get to it, okay? So let's start off with those skips, yay? All right, let's go twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Let's go threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now we don't count anymore. 33, 36. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we have 44, 48. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 7's ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Now I know them as well as he. 70, 77, 84. 8 and 8 are 16, 24 and 32, 40, 40, 8, 56, 64, and 72, 80, 88, 96. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. 10, 20, 30, 40, 56, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120. Woo, can you keep up? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. And let's go 12s. This one's going to go out to my almost birthday girl, Peyton T. I hope all is well. It was lovely speaking to you the other day. Here we go. Peyton T. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132 here, 142, 4 there. Here's 12, there's 12. Now we know the times 12. Old Meg had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of the way. I'm going to just show you what we're doing. So these first ones are just cross multiplication, Argyle socks, right? And we're just going to see, we're going to have a missing number. So what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply across, write them down on some scrap paper, and we'll find out what it would have to be, okay? So I got 3 times 12. Let's go by 12. 12, 24, 36. So what I'm asking myself is, what times 4 is 36? So I'd obviously have to count by 4s, right? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So it must be 9. 3/4 equals 9/12, all right? Sometimes you're going to have to change it around a little, which way you go first, but it's always the same thing. So we got 2 times 9. Let's go by 9. 9, 18. So I'm asking myself, what times 3 is 18? We'll just count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Has to be 6. So it's just basic multiplication is how you do these. So check this one out. I got 2 times, can't do it yet, so go this way. 5 times 4, let's go 5 times 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I say, well, 2 times what is 20? And everybody here knows 2 times, yes, 2 times 10 is 20. Has to be, okay? So let's go this way. 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12. And what times 12? Well, it would have to be 1 times 12, because 12 equals 12. All right? Hope you're feeling okay with this. 1 times 18 is 18. 6 times, well, what? Let's go by 6. 6, 12, 18. 3/18 is the same as 1/6. Okay? Here we go. 1 times, we'll have to go this way. 1 times 6 is 6. So we go this way, go by 2. 2, 4, 6 must be 3. Okay? And that makes sense. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 is half of 6. 1 is half of 2. Now, these next questions I'm going to show you today are, I want you to think about this. This is pretty interesting. If you've ever been to like Taco Bell, right? There's all different things on the menu, but pretty much, for the most part, everything is exactly the same. If they all have a shell, they all have some meat, some cheese, some lettuce, tomato, some beans. It's pretty much the same thing. They turn it around and they call it a chalupa or an empanada or a taco or a burrito. And they roll it up or they make it flat. It's pretty much all the same ingredients though, at the end of the day. All the same stuff goes into making the thing, each one. And it's all pretty much the same thing. They just look in different shapes. So I want you to think about these math problems we're doing here. They might look a little different, but it's the same exact thing. Okay. So today they're going to show it to you in like a number line, and they'll say like this. Okay. There'll be a spot, and they'll say, okay, which one is correct? Right? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? And which ones is equal? So you got to look at the dot and you say, okay, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Okay. And so you have to say, okay, is 2/3 the same as 1/2? So this is the part where you need your scrap paper. 2/3, 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 does not equal 4. Not today, man. All right, so then we go to the next one. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So that's right. So is 2/3 the same as 1/4? 2 times 4, 4, 8. 1 times 3, 3. Is 3 the same as 8? Nope. Doesn't make sense. Cross it out. Okay, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Is 2/3 the same as 3/6? 2 times 6 is 12. 3, 6, 9. 9 is not the same as 12. Not that one. So it must be this one, but let's just prove it. 2/3 and 4/6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. It always stinks when it's the last one. So even though it's one problem, you really got to do like all 4 to find the one where this number and this number is the same. Okay? Unless you're a smarty pants like me, right? And you know that, okay, 4/4 and 3/5, you might say, there's no way, because if it's 4/4, that's the same as 1. So it couldn't be 3/5 because it would have to be 5/5, so it would be the same as 1. So that's not it. But let's just say we didn't know that, and we just wanted to check. 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12. Nah. 4/4 and 3/2. Well, I already know can't be it, but let's just pretend we don't know that. 4 times 2, 4, 8. 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12. Is 12 the same as 8? Nah. Okay. 4/4 and 2/2. Since the numerator is the same as the denominator, that should be it. But let's just check. 4/4, 2/2. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is 8. You got it. All right. So you're going to need some scrap paper to work these things out. And the problem just looks different. But these ones, all you have to do is just cross multiply those two until you find the one that works, all right? So it might look a little complicated, but it's not, okay? I think you'll be fine. Any issues, just reach out, and I am here for you. Let me know. Hope you guys are good. I miss you guys much. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.